Okay, so I just got my bag. I just took about 10-15 minutes taking the plastic off of it because it's a Christmas gift. But anyway, they did a really good job of taking it closed. But here is me unfolding the back. They have it tucked in here. So this is the bag. It's nice. It's very durable. The material is very durable. So this is the inside of the bag. Here is the handle. I wish I had a stand to set this up on, but there is the handle. That's the inside. You have like these pockets here. Let's see. Handle. There are some pockets there, 2 pockets there. You can put your stuff in. Here is the cord to USB to plug your stuff up, I guess. And this first zipper, you guys are going to have to deal with me. Here is the inside of that first pocket. Now you can see they have like a section right here, 2 sections down there. Oh, I think it's one